the gel can actually enhance your skin and hair. Hey stars, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara, and passing it on is my passion. And one of the areas I love to share is beauty. In this particular video, it's skincare. So if you guys are interested, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. In this particular video, we will be talking about your house plant. Really? Which one? What for? Aloe vera for skincare. Since then, aloe vera has been used as a medicinal herb. It is used for better digestion, it helps boost the immunity, and used topically, it can actually enhance the gel, can actually enhance your skin and hair. By the way guys, apologies for any sudden noise. If it gets noisy, let's just go right ahead and continue, alright? So anyhow, I used aloe vera gel, fresh aloe vera gel as a moisturizer substitute for 10 days. How did it go? Yay or nay? So if you guys want to know more, if you guys want to know how I extracted aloe vera gel from the plant, want to know its benefits for the skin in particular, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. So if you have aloe vera at home, why don't you use it? If you want to, of course. So first up, how do you extract the aloe vera gel from the plant? First, select its fatter leaves or stems and cut it from the bottom. Use a knife to slice the thorns from the edge of each leaf. Use a spoon to scrape the gel out into a container, then refrigerate. Or simply select its fatter leaves or stems and cut it from the bottom. Use a knife to slice the thorns from the edge of each leaf. Put in a container and refrigerate. That's what I did. See? Ta-da! What are its benefits? Although aloe vera is good for the whole body, again in this video I will be focusing on its benefits for the skin, particularly our face. Benefits of aloe vera for skin. Moisturizes the skin. Aloe vera unclogs pores, softens skin, and retains moisture. Fights skin aging. Aloe vera gel has beta-carotene, vitamin C and E that fight skin aging. It also helps to remove skin blemishes, reduce wrinkles, and increase collagen production in the body and skin elasticity. Reduces acne. Aloe vera has antimicrobial properties that treat pimples without causing any damages to the skin. Lightens blemishes. Aloe vera helps boost skin cell reproduction, reduce redness, and fight skin inflammation, making it a natural treatment for stretch marks and acne marks. Help soothe sunburn. Aloe vera gel has cooling properties and is anti-inflammatory, making it a natural remedy for sunburn. It is rich in antioxidants and minerals that advance the healing process. Boosts healing of wounds. It helps to speed up skin cell reproduction, therefore it helps boost healing of burns, cuts, and other injuries. I'll be placing my sources link at the description box. Now, as I mentioned, I used aloe vera gel as a moisturizer substitute for 10 days. Today is actually the 11th day. How did it go? Let's start with day 1. Mana akong menstruation and 2 pimples popped out. Going for the natural remedy, and that is using aloe vera as my moisturizer and for a couple of days, and so we will see how it goes. Day 1. Moisturizer substitute. Hey, good morning. Day 6 of using aloe vera as my moisturizer. So far, so good. You just focus it. So far, so good. As you can see, wala na ang pimple, but you can still see like the dark spots, right? But nilighten naman siya. So, good job. However, I have this feedback. Once you slice it off from the plant itself and you put it straight away on your face, it has an awful scent. Ugh. But when you put it on the refrigerator, mawala naman sad ang smell. But it doesn't like really have a pleasant smell. Which is not a deal breaker for me. Like, okay, yun siya na ako. Especially na I'm at home. But definitely if you're going out, and of course you're gonna put moisturizer before putting everything else that you need to put on your face, I do not recommend this. Like the natural aloe vera thingy. But of course there are a lot of aloe vera moisturizers out there in the market, in which they've already added some ingredients to have a pleasant smell or scent. But yeah, that's it. So far, so good. Checking in, and now I am out. So after 10 days, today is day 11, this is how my skin looks like. By the way, I'm wearing minimal makeup. I just applied a little bit of makeup on my eyebrows and lips. Lip tint. That's it. Right, so let's do this. And now I'm gonna continue using it. This is what I do. For my feedback, let me give you my likes and dislikes. Likes. Number 1, I like that it is readily available at home. Like, we actually have an aloe vera plant sitting pretty at home. I'm like, why not use it? Hi, plantitas and plantitas. If you have an aloe vera plant at home and you're open to using it, go right ahead. Second is that my skin did not react negatively to it. I mean, I would not last for 11 days. Today is the 11th day. If it reacted negatively right after the first, second, or third day. OMG. Next is blemishes are lighter. I pointed out on day 1 that I had a pimple here and it's gone, and blemishes are actually lighter, so good job. And last but not the least, right after applying it, I feel that my skin is tight. For my dislikes, TBH, to be honest, once you extract the gel from the plant, it has an awful smell. But when you actually refrigerate it, the smell kind of goes away a little bit, but it's still there. But I don't mind because I'm at home. But I don't think it is recommended if you are about to leave the house or if you are going to layer it with makeup, which is the second thing I dislike. Like, I don't think I can use it if I am going to then apply makeup after my skincare regimen, after my skincare routine. Now the question is, will I continue using it? Yay or nay? Leave or love? My answer, love. Yay. I will keep on using them, but not every day. I can use it probably like every weekends, or probably TTH or MWF in the evening, not in the morning. Because in the morning, right after applying moisturizer, I need to like put on sunscreen, and with this, it kind of takes a while for it to just, dry up. So I think I'd rather use this in the evening. And because of this experience, I am actually looking into buying an over-the-counter aloe vera gel, which will last for a longer period of time. By the way, with this, it will only last you 5 to 7 days refrigerated. Please take note of that, all right? So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. If you like this video, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. See you on the next one. Bye.